Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tens to Math, Do Math Not Myth. In today's lesson, we learn about how to remember some confusing formulas of trigonometry, okay, which is very helpful for the student of class 11. So, let's move on to today's topic. Our first formula is sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D and cos C minus cos D. How to remember the formula for sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. Okay. Now, when two terms, that is sine and here the sign is plus, then we write first sine, then cos. When between these two sign, the sign is minus, then we write cos sine. Between two cos, their plus sign is present, then we write cos cos. Between two cos, the negative sign is present, then we write sine and sine. Here we write 2 for all the terms. Okay. Now, therefore, we have to write C plus D by 2 in the first term. Here also C plus D by 2. Here also C plus D by 2. And here also C plus D by 2. For the second term, we write C minus D by 2. Here also C minus D by 2. Here also C minus D by 2. But here is an exception. We can write it as D minus C by 2. So, this is our required formula. So, we have to remember that when between two sign, plus sign is present, then we write sine cos. Between two sign, negative sign is present, we write cos sine. Between two cos, when plus sign is present, then we write 2 cos. Between two cos, when negative sign is present, we write 2 sine. Next, we multiply all the terms by 2, and in the first part, we write C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2 with all the term. And in the second part, we write C minus D by 2, C minus D by 2, C minus D by 2. Only for this term, there is the exception that D minus C by 2. Okay. Now, our next formulas are 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B. When sin and cos are present, then we write 2 sin. Between plus is present. When cos and sin is present, then we write 2 sin, but between negative sign is present. When 2 cos is present, then we write 2 cos, between plus sign is present, and when 2 sin is present, then we also write 2 cos, but between negative sign is present. Now, here we write A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, and here we write A minus B, A minus B, A minus B. Only for this part, there is a exception that we write A minus B, and here we write A plus B. Okay. So, when sine and cos is present, we write 2 sine, and between plus. When cos and sine is present, we write sine sine, between minus. When 2 cos is present, then we write cos cos, between plus. When 2 sine is present, then we write cos cos, between minus. And here, for the 3 terms, we write in the first part A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A minus B, A minus B, A minus B. Only for this last part, there is the exception. we write for the first part a minus b and for the second part a plus b. Okay. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends on your Twitter, Facebook and WhatsApp account, and also comment in the comment section if you have any queries. Okay, so take care and goodbye.